Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty ladies finger mappas recipe. It's a good combination with chapati or rice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, keep it medium flame. Then add 10 to 12 ladies finger cut into small pieces like this. Fry it on medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove it from the hot oil. Keep aside for later use. To the same oil, add 1 inch-size chopped ginger, 6 chopped garlics, 2 green chili slicks, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, add 1 sliced onion, 3/4 teaspoon. Salt. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 3 minutes. We don't want the onion to turn its color to light golden brown color. After 3 minutes, add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, keep it low flame. We can add the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for a minute. Then add fried lady's finger to it. Now add 1 cup of thin coconut milk. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, keep it low flame. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. 3/4 cup of thick coconut milk. Then add half teaspoon pepper powder. Close the lid and keep it pressed for at least 20 minutes before serving for best taste.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Tasty ladies finger mappas recipe is ready. If we are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 4 portions.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.